I need 60 ml of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide, but the salon only has 40 volume strength in stock. What can I do? I need 60 ml of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide, but the salon only has 40 volume strength in stock. What can I do? Well, obviously I need to mix some of the stronger hydrogen peroxide with distilled water. How do I work out this calculation? Well, do 40 minus 10 equals 30. Then look at the last two numbers, 10 to 30, that ratio. How do we simplify a ratio? What number would divide into both sides? Well, 10 could be divided by 10, and 30 could be divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. So we're looking for a 1 to 3 ratio. So 1 part of hydrogen peroxide mixed with 3 parts of water. So how many mils of hydrogen peroxide and how many mils of water do we need? Well, we're looking for 60 mils in total. Let's try 10 mils of hydrogen peroxide. And that's a 1 to 3 ratio, so 3 times the amount of that in terms of water. So 10 mils times 3 would be 30 mils of water. Add these two together, 10 plus 30 would give you 40, which is not enough. We need to try a larger number. Let's try 15 mils of hydrogen peroxide, see if that works. Okay, so it's a 3 to 1 ratio, so we have 3 times more in terms of water. So 3 times 15 is 45 mils of water. So add these two numbers together, 15 mils of hydrogen peroxide and 45 mils of water. That does give you 60 mils, which is what we're after. So that's the correct answer. So to summarise, I need 60 mils of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide, but the salon only has 40 volume strength in stock. What can I do? Well, I can mix some of my existing stock with distilled water. How do I do the calculation? Well, do 40 minus 10 equals 30. Look at the last two numbers, 10 to 30. Simplify that 10 to 30 ratio. What number would divide into both 10 and 30? Well, we could try 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So it's a 1 to 3 ratio we're looking for. So we mix 1 part of hydrogen with 3 parts of water. And if we mix 15 mils of hydrogen peroxide and 3 times that for water, which is 45 mils, 15 mils and 45 mils gives 60 mils. So that's your final answer. I need 60 mils of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide, but the salon only has 40 volume strength in stock. I need to dilute some of my existing stock. So the calculation, 40 minus 10 equals 30. Look at the last two numbers, 10 to 30. Simplify that ratio, becomes 1 to 3. So if we mix 15 mils of hydrogen peroxide with 45 mils of distilled water, that will give us 60 mils of a 10 volume solution.